Today is Bealtaine, the 1st of May, and it's a Celtic Fire festival. I have a great new tune for you. Just want to tell you a little bit about Bealtaine first. Bealtaine is actually the Irish for the month of May, and Beal was a Celtic god and Taine is a fire. And there was a great fire built on the hill of Uisneach every year on the 1st of May to celebrate Bealtaine. All the fires around the country were doused and relit from this great bonfire on the hill of Uisneach. And on the morning of Bealtaine, the cattle were traditionally let out to pasture. And if you've ever seen cattle being released after a whole winter of being indoors, you know the joy of their dance. And this jig that I have written for you is called the Bel Fire Jig.